Hi everybody, welcome to ISA's Product Spotlight. This is Nick Dumeyer. I'm standing back here in our lab in front of our FS250 mock-up system. Today we're actually going to be talking about the Z-Series horn strobes. I've actually got a ZH-MC-R here in my hand. We can actually test these. You'll see here we have the strobe only versions up there. Now what the ZH, H meaning horn, then the MC meaning multi-candela, and then you actually have either the R for red, or they actually have white versions as well, so it would be W. So again, these replace a lot of even the older horn strobes that Siemens used to make. So if you have questions about the horn strobes, the Z-Series horn strobes, we'll be glad to help, whether it's with new or ISA certified reconditioned units. Take care. We'll talk to you again soon.